Hey guys, Dr. Jeff Ellery at Whole Body Health. We've been having a hard time finding hand sanitizer for the office and for our home, so we decided to make our own. Make sure you don't mix certain products. There's a really good website and link that'll tell you what not to mix together. Pretty much you don't want to mix anything with bleach. Bleach is a standalone disinfectant, but to put it on my hands all day, it would be very, very drying and actually damaging to my hands. And so what we did was put together a combo of witch hazel with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. In the office, I'm using 91% alcohol. You can use the minimum is 70% rubbing alcohol. But what I'm doing is I'm doing half alcohol and half witch hazel. Both very antimicrobial. There's a lot of antimicrobial properties to witch hazel, which comes from a plant bark. And then I'm adding different essential oils for smell and also for antiseptic as well. So I'll put at least 10 drops of tea tree oil that is antiviral, antimicrobial. I'll put half a container, or half of it is witch hazel, half of it is alcohol, and the finished product looks something like this. And so, and we labeled it for our patients to see. And so we just spray. I'm spraying between patients. A lot of times I'll spray multiple times during a visit, and after I finish working with somebody, and we're using it around the house as well. If you want to have some hand sanitizer available to you, you can make your own, and this is a real safe, effective way to do that.